boy Reggie B. Today I'm in Zoo Culture out here in LA. I'm gonna push myself to the limit. Usually I don't do 5 plates, but I'm gonna push for the 5th plate today. I'm gonna try to hit my 1 max PR. I'm in a great place, great energy. So if you're trying to really put yourself to the limit, you have to literally put yourself to the limit by making yourself work to its full ability and full agility, by moving around, by stretching, by just showing you the warm-ups that I'm gonna do rather than just strictly going into that exact PR and then just push. You're gonna tear a muscle, so we're gonna work up slowly and we're gonna hit that 1 PR. So you guys ready? Let's get it. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna attempt to hit my 1 rep max. I'm gonna show you the perfect way on how to warm up that muscle, because time and time again, when I go in and out of the gym, I see guys, when they're trying to hit their 1 rep max or they're hitting heavy weight, they jump straight for the heavy lifting. Whatever floats your boat, but for my preferences, I don't think that's really smart, because 1, you may tear your muscle, 2, you're gonna hurt your joints, and 3, you're probably not even warmed up mentally to really go into that weight and push beast mode. So it's like a boxer. What did the trainer has them do right before they fight? It has them warm up, because the saying goes, you go in the ring cold, you're gonna come out cold. The same thing goes when you're lifting heavy weights. You don't just go under that damn bar or whatever exercise you're doing and try to hit the heaviness. No, you have to warm yourself up, get yourself in the mode, because that's the only way you're gonna be able to perform the best to your ability, and that's what we're trying to do when we're inside the gym. Alright, so now we're on 4 plates. I've never gone in my life higher than 4 plates in the 25, so we're going to keep pushing. But the only way to push yourself to that max, you have to warm up. So don't just jump to the straight, the heaviest weight. You're going to tear something. You need to really warm up your muscle for you to push to the max. Alright, so let's get it. Alright guys, so this is where you need to dig deep and have that mind muscle control and push yourself to the limit. There's a saying that I heard that I always keep in mind when I'm at the gym. If the weight doesn't scare you, then it's not heavy enough. It's like if the rep doesn't have your muscles screaming, then you're not pushing yourself to the limit. That's why we're in the gym, to make progress and to make gains. So we're not in there to look pretty. So you always have to go in there, push yourself to the limit, and switch that saying and make those weights scared of you rather than you being scared of the weight. And that's exactly what I'm gonna show you at this attempt with 5 plates. My first attempt, and I'm not gonna lie, the way I hit this, the next time I make a video, I'm probably gonna add 5, maybe 10 pounds extra to push myself to that very max. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed my video. I feel really good. I don't usually hit my 1 rep max like guys usually do every single week. I like to build myself up correctly because I'm not trying to mess up my joints. So I'm telling you, the long way is a lot better rather than just completely jumping right into your 1 rep max. Don't get me wrong, a lot of times you don't want to wait too long because then you might gas yourself out. The endurance is going to be a little low. So you want to slowly move up, but a little bit speed by jumping the weight a little bit faster than what you usually do. So again, hit that notification button so you know my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you. Metamorphosis complete.